Hello there, welcome to my question of the day, and this is number 24 in a series I've been running every weekday on my YouTube and my Facebook page. So I've got this question where I have to simplify the addition of these two fractions, and I could add the fractions together first if I wanted to, or I could rationalise the denominators first and then add them together. So I think that's what I'm going to do. It's not necessarily better than adding them first, but it might just be slightly quicker. Okay, so my first fraction is 2 root 3 over 3 add root 3. And a little trick we have of rationalising the denominator is to multiply this fraction by 1, where 1 can be written as 3 subtract root 3 over 3 subtract root 3. And I'm doing this because I want to cancel out the surds on the denominator. And so what I'm going to do is I had a positive root 3 in my initial denominator, and I'm going to multiply by a negative root 3, which is called the conjugate. So it's the same expression but with a negative in the middle instead of an add or a positive symbol. So this is the conjugate of 3 add root 3. So I'm going to multiply those fractions together now. So I've got 3 lots of 2 root 3, which is 6 root 3. Then I've got 2 root 3 multiplied by negative root 3, which is the negative of 2 lots of 3, all over 3 times 3, which is 9, subtract 3 root 3, add 3 root 3, subtract 3. So I'm going to end up with 6 root 3, subtract 6 over 6. And that works out quite nicely. I've got root 3, subtract 1. So I'm going to highlight in pink that my answer to that first fraction simplified is root 3, subtract 1. I quite like that. Now I'm going to look at the second fraction. And the second fraction is 2 add root 3 over 2 subtract root 3. So I'm going to do that down here. 2 add root 3 over 2 subtract root 3. And again, I'm going to multiply by 1, where 1 is written as 2 add root 3 over 2 add root 3. So notice what I've done is that in my initial denominator I had a 2 subtract root 3. Now I've got a 2 add root 3. And that's because 2 add root 3 is the conjugate of 2 subtract root 3. It's a nice little trick. You can always rationalise the denominator using an expression like that. Anyway, right, so on top I've got 2 times 2, which is 4, add 2 lots of root 3, add another 2 lots of root 3, add 3. On the denominator I've got 2 lots of 2, which is 4, add 2 root 3, subtract 2 root 3, and take away 3. So I should have 7, add 4 lots of root 3, all over 1, which is just 7, add 4 root 3. That's really nice. Now, the question. So now my final answer is going to be achieved by the pink expression and the blue expression. Just highlight those to show you where I got them from. And then if I add those together, I can see that I've got 3 root 3 and another 4 root 3, which makes 5 root 3, and a negative 1 add 7, which is positive 6. My answer is 5 root 3 add 6. I hope that helped you develop your understanding of surds and rationalising the denominators. If you'd like to leave a message below, if you'd like to leave a comment on this video, please do. If you'd like to head over to my Facebook page and send me a message there, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you ever so much. Bye bye.